Why do you need miracle? Are you sure you need miracle? Are you sure you need miracle? Lift up your two hands. Take miracle.
Country people, hey, Daddy Gio don't fall a hand. Hey, my people, I see this matter, say lie to lie. This a matter so no supposed pass us by. Daddy Gio, you are welcome. You know, say you too do like this. My people, Daddy Gio, they don't catch on with the grass. This one na matter for make we know say we not supposed chop anybody poison, no my people. But before we want dive inside this matter, you're highly welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. If today's the first time you're stopping across my YouTube video, you're welcome. I beg make you enter, yes, with your popcorn. And for all returning subscribers, me want thank una for the support una don dey give. And I want to take this opportunity take apologize because me don't dey away like that. No con dey update una, but now so we don't come back full swing. So my people, without wasting time, make we dive inside the matter. So this man that they see for on a screen, my people, now Prophet Emmanuel Ugochukwu, as in him and Daddy Gio for churches, like he gets 3 churches, my people. They come Colombian for airport for Nairobi, Kenya, my people, where he carry himself, God, he can't carry grass. When I talk grass now, that's it, you understand. When I see this NDLEA people una sabi wetin we dey talk about. They come meet 53 sticks of grass for him body. Now they come dey ask some questions, my people. But before we want take carry a mouth take put on to this matter, make me read wetin they take talk. I read confirming the arrest in a statement on Sunday, March 13. LDEA spokesman Femi said Ugochukwu, who has his church headquarters in Anambra State and 2 other branches in Lagos and Abuja, was arrested during the outward clearance of passengers on Ethiopian Airlines flight to Nairobi via Addis Ababa. When tested, the 54 sticks proved positive to C. The clergyman confessed during preliminary interview that he packed that quantity of illicit substance on his body to use during his 3 weeks crusade in Kenya. So my people, as una carry una ear con the year, na so inte. Una see this a man of God like that way, it's a pull hand like this, people they fall. He can't a pull hand like he needs not to lay his hands on you. God, my people, for this life like this, you're not supposed to take anybody poison because you go follow your grave, cuckoo enter inside. My people, I see the matter, say no, make I get bring them here, make all of us to carry our mouth to take talk, because it get us a day. When we take the talk about men of God, like we take the talk about them, some of their followers, they can't they attack us, like they can't they say, oh, touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. She been a prophet this. Wait till me don't always try to the talk now say these people when a prophet, they themselves now humans before they won't become prophets. As in, this flesh will take the week you once in a while, like once they week you like that way. You can they do things where you know like, Now, so they themselves can't they fall once in a while. So, you know, fit like take sway for but anybody head like that. Like when you won't carry your man of God, yeah, Daddy G or matter for head, like how market, you got to be very careful because they themselves now humans they cuckoo be. So their body self, their flesh self feed a weak once in a while. This a man of God on a cuckoo they see like this, my people. If you can't they look this one, no be saying a one-time thing, because if you not take listen to what I talked before, in say the 54 sticks of grass where they take meat for in body, He wan kuku use them for in personal use for the 3 weeks where it take dey Kenya for crusades, my people. Crusade where he go come dey pass hand like that, people go dey fall. He go come dey pass hand. That means as in before our man of God won't come out. He done first of all high on the grass. My people. In 3 weeks time, man of God kuku want to use 54 sticks. Now be say no be just now it takes that. It done the day before. But when you now go come talk, una know it get as a day, because if una can't social media, my people, the street for social media, now our daddy Gio need day up. As in Daddy Gio Emmanuel, wetin you do us? Daddy Gio Emmanuel, so this your hand like this way can't pull like that. Now highness can't kuku the inside. As it day, una sabi say we would take love to the worker for the street of social media like that. And amebo captains, like people when are there like that, can't they get the caps for amebo. When the kuku see a matter like that, they go search, go they open your nyash, just come out and for outside. Now so my people, the kuku go find this video for our Daddy Gio where he can't they preach like few days before. My people, this one too supposed serve as big lessons to so many people where they can't they fight Daddy Gio case. I know the kuku say make you no believe in your Daddy Gio, but I know the talk still say make you kuku can't they carry matter for your head like how market. You got to understand, say these people like this nam still humans their body gets as it go feel them once in a while. So when you want carry your head can't defend somebody with your full chest, you got to be very careful, because what this person they do behind closed doors, you no, you can't witness church service, you can't witness how people they fall, kuku know if at all na genuine one or not. My people, that's one of my points of view. I don't know what to think about this matter. I go kuku leave the video here, make una watch how our Daddy Gio can't manifest for our front. But before that, my people, if you dey here, you never kuku subscribe to this channel. What are you waiting for? Please do well to click on the red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever me I upload a video, you go kuku know and you go come enter the building. My people, I beg no forget to kuku write your comments for comment section, as in what do you think about this matter. Shebi meet his people for church now kuku con the defender, or na say make people no con they carry their matter like that for head like how market. Me no know what to not think, make you write for comment section. I go see you on my next video, my beautiful people. As of now, I am out. As of now, one love. See you now for my next video, my people.
Why do you need miracle? Are you sure you need miracle? Are you sure you need miracle? Lift up your two hands. Take miracle. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Give me your hands. All of you, come, run to me. Take it. Power. Jesus! Come! Hey! Jesus! Take it! Take it! Aha! 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 Pow! Pow! No! Jesus! Jesus, give me your... Take it!